Is it time to buy or sell Robinhood stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Robinhood. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of January, 2025, our system has identified Robinhood as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.57. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who acted on our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 42.14% since we first categorized Robinhood as a buy candidate 33 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.28% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and extensive upward trend in the short term, signaling the likelihood of further increases within this trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 56.79% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 40.41% to 86%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 105.43% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 22.65% and 140.70%. This would result in a price range of approximately $68.76 to $134.94 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Robinhood features the headline, "A very red day for Robinhood stock price after a decline of 5.35% during Thursday's trading session." The Robinhood stock price decreased by 5.35% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, dropping from $59.23 to $56.06. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 8.92%, with a daily low of $54.23 and a daily high of $59.07. The price has experienced significant volatility in this period, with a total gain of 3.43% over the last 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares, despite falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 36 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $2 billion and $1 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $66.08, while the lowest was $13.60. Currently, the price stands at 15.16%, or $10.02 below the 52-week high, and 34.5%, or $28.94 below the all-time high of $85 reached on the 4th of August, 2021. Ray Dalio's Bridgewater Associates has recently increased its stake in several prominent stocks, which may signal renewed investor confidence in Robinhood markets, referred to by the symbol HOOD. This development coincides with rising analyst recommendations that position HOOD as a favorable investment. Positive sentiment within the brokerage community often has a tangible impact on stock prices, potentially leading to short-term gains for investors. In a broader context, Robinhood's expansion into cryptocurrency offerings, particularly in Singapore and targeting institutional clients in Asia, underscores its ambition for global growth. This could drive revenue and market share in an increasingly competitive landscape. Analysts anticipate that these initiatives will positively contribute to earnings estimates, suggesting the potential for continued upward movement. Moreover, Robinhood has maintained strong performance, sparking interest among investors and traders alike. Despite previously facing regulatory scrutiny, the company has transformed its platform and is experiencing robust growth, indicating a shift in market perception. As earnings estimates rise, there is an expectation that shares will gain momentum in the near term, enhancing their long-term viability and attractiveness to investors. Overall, these factors set the stage for potential short-term price spikes based on market sentiment, alongside longer-term growth driven by strategic expansions and improved earnings forecasts. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Hood an outperform rating with a hold recommendation. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that Raymond James rated Hood as market perform with an initialized recommendation. On Monday, the 13th of January, 2025, it was reported that Barclays provided Hood with an overweight rating along with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 10th of January, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Hood a neutral rating with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 3rd of January 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research rated Hood as outperform with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Robinhood stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as neutral and the price-to-book ratio as sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Robinhood. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 14.12%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The Robinhood stock carries a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal exists for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $59.15. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at around $49.55. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger buy signal 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 112 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 107 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Robinhood. Robinhood finds support from accumulated volume at $55.91. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is assessed as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $4.84 between its high and low, which represents an 8.92% change. In the past week, the stock has averaged daily volatility of 7.70%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Robinhood, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively standard, often observed in companies with established histories and predictable revenue streams. In other news, the forthcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at approximately 437 ten-thousandths of a dollar. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Robinhood. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Robinhood is at $60.44. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a strategic point for swing trading. On the downside, Robinhood's first support level is located at $55.91. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Robinhood from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Bat Baiju, who bought and sold 1,566,540 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 53.866. Overall, insiders purchased 2,980,470 shares and sold 10,332,443 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $53.31, reflecting a decline of 4.9%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, indicating a higher level of risk. Moreover, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Robinhood stock a good buy? Several indicators are currently showing negative signals, which may impact the stock's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we believe that the current price level presents a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the stock is currently undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of February, we expect Robinhood to open at approximately 39 cents and begin trading at $56.45. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is important to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. You should not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.